Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Log Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 8 Fundamental Concepts Exercise 8A Question 2. Write the following phrases using symbols. Same type of question is there just like the previous one, we have to write using symbols, but the expressions are a little bit advanced, or you can say difficult than the first part, but still it's easy if you know the basics. See, 18 less than 6 times A, it's in the first part, 18 less than 6 times A. So this can be written in two parts, right? You can see first is 18 less than and then 6 times A. So first whatever is written after less than, you will write that. 6 times A is written after less than, so you write 6A, right? And then 18 less than is given, whatever rest is given, you write that down. So less than means minus and 18 here. So 6A minus 18. You always write that part which is written after less than, right? Then see, 9 times the sum of A and 7. Same thing here. You can divide this into two parts. 9 times, right? 9 times the sum of A and 7. So again, first you can write this 9 here, right? First write this 9 times, and then within bracket you will write the sum of A and 7. So A plus 7, right? Now I told you why are we writing this within bracket, because I told you there is a multiplication way of writing multiplication. What is that way? Either you multiply both of them like this, simply write them AB, right? This means multiplication, or you can put a dot in between and then multiply, or what you can do, you can put them in brackets, A into B, or you can do A and then bracket B, right? Or what you can do, within A bracket and then B outside the bracket. So putting the brackets is up to you, and here also I have done this thing only. A plus 7 is put in brackets because it's a separate thing. If you remove the brackets, you will have 9A plus 7. This statement is different than this one, right? Here 9A, so you multiply 9 by A only, 7 is not multiplied, so this is different. This is wrong, don't do that. Then we have thrice the number A increased by B. So again, you can divide this into two parts. Thrice the number A increased by B, right? You can see thrice the number A means 3A, right? 3A, okay, right? 3A increased by B, so 3A plus B, right? Increased by means plus, addition, right? Increase, you are increasing the value, you are adding the value to it. Then it has 15 times the number P plus 4. It's pretty much same only. You can see first will come 15 times the number P, so 15P over here, plus 4 is written directly, so write that down, no complication here. Then 25 less than 4 times Q. It's just like the first part. I told you divide this into two parts for your clarity. First you have 25 less than, and then you have 4 times Q. You can see that 25 less than 4 times Q. Now 25 less than will be written after, whatever is written after less than will be written first here in these symbols. So after less than, 4 times Q is written, so 4 times Q means 4Q, right? 4 times means multiplication, so 4Q, because 4 times Q was written after less than, and then comes this rest of the part, that is 25 less than, so you will do minus 25 over here. Then you have 6 times A less than the quotient of B by 4. Here you can say you have 6 times A less than the quotient of B by 4. Two parts again. 6 times A less than and then quotient of B by 4. Whatever is written after less than, that will be written first. You have quotient of B by 4. What does it mean by this word quotient of B by 4? So you have done in the previous chapter that was there before this, right? Whole number. You understood meaning of quotient was to divide, right? This is what it meant. So see, B by 4 means B upon 4. Simple. You have learned the fractions, right? And quotient of B by 4. So that means simply the answer of B by 4. You don't need to divide this, just write it in this form, B upon 4. That's fine, it's finished here only. So first we will write B by 4, right? And then 6 times A less than, 6 times A less than. So first less than you write, that means you have what? Minus sign coming first because it's less than, and then 6 times a, so minus 6a, right? So you get it. First you have written after less than, that is quotient of b by 4, that is b upon 4, and then less than came here as the sign of minus, and then 6 times a, that means 6a, right? That's it. Then you have the square of the sum of a and b, so sum will be a plus b, right? Now square means what? Square is quite simple. Suppose I have any number here a, and I multiply a by itself, that is a into a, so this is written as a square. 2 is written on top of the number like this, right? So here also don't go that deep, just write a plus b here, right? You have a plus b here, and then you are multiplying a plus b by a plus b only, this way. Okay, 2 times I am multiplying, so this can be written as a plus b whole squared, right? Simply understand, 2 times when you are multiplying any number, you write 2 on top of that. This means a plus b whole square. So same thing here. Again, why am I putting it in bracket? So that this entire a plus b is considered. Don't write a plus and then within b bracket and then square. That will be wrong. So this is the correct way of doing it, and that is your answers. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.